Over there, somebody's gonna go to the Hard Rock Cafe. There goes Spider-Man right there. Know his ass is cold. What's really going on? How you doing, Tom? It's windy. Damn, they over there laughing. Talking about mad, I am mad. Wait, slow down. There go Batman too. Oh, he next to the Joker. Oh, Leonte, look. You see? You see him? Oh, no, thank you. Oh, look at little Smurfy. Look at the little Smurf. Oh. Smurf got back. Smurfy got back. Damn, there was another one over there. What the hell? Who is that? Goose. Come on. Who the hell is that? That's Peter Piper, Pickle Pepper, and Up Rhyme? Come on. What the hell? Smurfy got back, and I cannot lie. You other bitches can't deny. Oh, Lord. Spider-Man ass flat to the motherfucker. We over there posing. Don King. Watch out there now. What kind of ass is that? Not the lady, though. No ass at all. What the hell? Come on, Leonte, let's go get something to eat so we can go home. I guess we're going to go to McDonald's because I sure in the hell ain't spending no $4.50 for no one slice of a New York style pizza, and that slice ain't even that damn big. They used to be way bigger than that back in the days. Don't play. Huh? What? McDonald's right there though. It's only right across the street.
I said,
That's the one we went in, huh? Right there. Yep. Oh, the police. Oh, what the fuck she doing with this dress on looking like this? She needs her. She needs her. The little bit of ass she got kicked. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lee, I said I got that man you scared of. Remember? Right there. Remember you scared of him? You not scared of him no more? Go shake his hand. Go shake his hand, you ain't scared no more. All right, well. What?
I know you're going to say no, but
What? Can you have what?
a burger?
No, you can't do all that. Well, this is the little last end of us going to hell home. Peace out.